Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We're here another day for another great recipe. And today, my dear friends, we're going to be making steamed mussels, which is a fantastic dish from Spain. And we eat it quite often and it's really easy and very tasty. So, the first thing that we need to do is wash our mussels really well and clean them. I have left one unclean, so you put them under the running tap, you get a knife, you scrub the top of the mussels to remove all the little fibers, and then you have these, which we call beard, barbas. And what we do, we hold it with the knife like this and we pull, and that's it. We don't have any beards anymore, we have the beards here, see, there. So now after we have our mussels really clean, we are going to put a pot, maximum heat to start with, and I put about half a cup of water because we need to make the steam, and without water there's no steam. And my mum used to put a bay leaf, and there it goes. And now we're gonna add the mussels. I'll put medium heat and we'll cover it. And once that they are start opening, or once that all of them open, that's when they are ready. And believe me, this will be quick. Right, so it's been 5-6 minutes, and look at that. They are open. This means they are ready. So we'll turn off the heat. So now what we do, we'll serve them. Put them into a bowl or serving dish. I'll put them into a bowl because it's going to make a beautiful picture. We dispose of the bay leaf that goes to the bin, we don't need that. We will decorate with lemon wedges if you want. When you eat them, you can do individually. I do individually. I put a squeeze lemon juice in each and I eat it straight off the shelf. Sorry, straight off the shell. So there you have it, my dear friends. You cannot get it better than this. Look at that. Simple yet delicious. So if you like this dish and all the others that we have in the channel, which are amazing, check it out. To subscribe, share with the world, or share with your friends. Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest, I know how to pronounce it now. And I'm off to enjoy this. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!